Welcome one and all to a glorious unboxing. In here are a number of books, which is kind of good because the manifest here said printed books. This particular box had water damage on the exterior and was served to me in a large plastic bag. Oh, cool. Alright. This is the Covert Dragons Collection 1. It includes the first 3 books, The Bastard Dragon, Dragon Astray, and Dragon Engaged. And it is lovely. Angie really outdid herself on the cover. Alright, I'm going to put that aside. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope, it looks like there's just 5 of those. In case you wonder why there's so few, these are my proofs. So, okay. Alright, oh, the tinies. So when the books were originally released, they were released like this. The Bastard Dragon, Dragon Astray, and Dragon Engaged. Now, graphic novel wise, Dragon Astray, the artwork is done and the lettering is half done. And Dragon Engaged, the artwork is, I think, at the 3/4 mark. So, these are very cool. They look great. I'm so happy. Oh no! What could this graphic novel shaped box be? It could be hard to open, that's for certain. There we go. Oh, we have, oh, there it is, the final copy. Oh, there's even dragon scale in the back now. That is super cool. Alright, so here it is. Yay! So, for you involved, those little guys that are involved in the pitch. So, this is quite a fun collection. And yeah, look how small these ones are. They're so teeny. Sorry. Right. That concludes the unboxing. Thanks for hanging around.